car. It's empty. Love Ferrari. Look at this. It's empty. Look how that building just splits. You're gonna like this, actually. Look at that. Look at that. If that's not the reason you go cycling, to enjoy the scenery, I wouldn't call myself a cyclist if I didn't enjoy this view. See ya. Look at that, holy, nice. Look at that beetle. Dude, it's absolutely deserted. Wow. Dude, I'm crossing a red light on the busiest road of downtown, and there is absolutely no one. Holy shit. Look at that. Look at that. That's another reason why I'm always cycling here. I freaking love this city. We made it. That was 28 kilometers. We made it under, I'd say just about an hour and a half. Should we go to Tommy Thompson? You know what? Let's go to Tommy Thompson. I want to go to Tommy Thompson. Let's see if I remember where to go for Tommy Thompson. Actually, I know where to go. Destination Tommy Thompson. Look at this. We're here. Bam. That's picture worthy. Alright, we had our fun. Took a few pictures. However, I am not fond of the number of bugs biting me. Thank you for watching my video. So this is a new thing, right? After 2 or 3 or 4, I lost count, honestly, years of inactivity of my YouTube channel. Now, what's this about a GoPro that I got and all of this, I call it recording I present to you? Well, may not be obvious, well, it is obvious, but I picked up a new hobby with existing hobbies. So for a little bit of insight, as long as I can remember, as a little kid, I would go cycling with, parents, of course. When I was small and young, I'd always get on the bike with my dad and my brother, and we go places. Obviously, that hobby stuck around. Got myself a Trek, good boy Marlin for sure, and yeah, I'm going places, checking out things. I figured I'd share my little journey to Toronto with you, and maybe other journeys you can suggest. I got some few ideas of where to go. Can check out a few like landmarks. I want to hear you guys' opinion about this new video. This is kind of like a vlog. Well, not quite. Vlog is much more demanding. You got to do all sorts of stuff. I'm kind of in the middle. I'm also open to taking other destinations as well. Of course, there's a few limitations. How far I cycle, how much energy I got. Please don't send me to Hamilton. Don't send me to Ottawa. I'm not Iron Man. Oh, I'm cooking up a real itch and a headache. Cooking up both.